Hey, welcome to or welcome back to Life's a Bag. I'm glad to have you here. If this is your first time, I encourage you and ask you to subscribe and like and follow and share and all those things. It is a huge help to me. My goal is to reach 500 subscribers. So every little bit helps. Today I am coming to you with my most highly anticipated unboxing to date. It is going to come in pieces because life is lifing, but I literally cannot wait any longer. So here we go. This is my first international purchase. Especially without me traveling internationally. I didn't unwrap it because like it was really impressive. I feel like, the shipper definitely did their best to keep it intact. Ooh, man. Okay, again, just opened it. Okay. Are you ready? Oh my God, please. Oh my God. Right. Oh my God, you guys. This is It's good. Oh my God. Okay, this right here is the coveted day-in shoulder strap. Okay, let me just tell you. You're not just getting these on the resale market, okay? These don't just pop up all willy-nilly. Hold on one second. This strap. It can do magical things. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I finally got it. I was really starting to give up, and I wanted it for a specific bag, not the one I'm going to show you on right this second, but I will be showing you on it. And I was ready to give up. Because I actually bought the Diane bag, and it was not for me. Honestly, the buckle flopping around drives me crazy, especially at the price point that it is. And I found that for me, for my stuff, I have enough bags at the same capacity. So anyway, I sold it, and then just like, I don't know, weeks or months later, pardon me, we were playing around on one of Candy's lives, and she put the Diane strap on a Speedy, and I was like, oh my God. And I have been hunting for this strap ever since. Now, there are some people who've tried to take advantage of me, but whatever. Anyways, look at that. And okay, so here's why it's important and why it's special. Because I kind of have slopey shoulders. You see that? Like it just, like I can't even do chains for straps, really at all. Because it just slides right off. And so the new rolled handles and stuff that they're coming out with, same, just rolls right off. But this baby is flat. Hold on. Now here is why it's so important. The vision. You know, when the vision comes together, it's just amazing. Oh, yeah. Pardon me, my throat's dry from going to the zoo today. Tell me that that is not the most beautiful, poetic color contrast you've ever seen. And I mean, if you don't like it, you can also tell me it's not, but I'm still going to be madly in love with it. Oh, no. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And no buckles, you know. Like if you take the crossbody strap to this, it's going to have the buckle. No buckles. No, oh, hi. How you doing? So I got this off of eBay from Austria, and I was shook. You know, would it be right? Would it be in a good condition? How much are the duties gonna set me back? Like, oh, it was scary, but I was desperate. I had put out, you know, feelers multiple places. I was this close to getting one a couple weeks ago. I'll put the name of the seller up here. I have to go check my messages, but that was really awesome. We just missed it by seconds. Anyway, I had been watching this one for a while, and one day I was like, I'm just gonna shoot my shot, you know. And I was seriously considering even getting rid of this because, you know, you have a vision, and the vision is so important. But anyway, I made an offer, and they made a counter offer, which worked exactly to how I played it out in my mind. And the steel I got this strap for. Today is the most solid win ever. And also, I'm going to wrap this video up right now to keep it short for you. And we are going to play with this strap in another video. But then that way this gets done, it gets out quickly. I am so committed to getting some content out that I've been wanting to get out. Oh my God, I cannot believe. And the shipping was pretty fast too. I was like a little bit scared at first because, you know, they don't use our shipping companies. And so I was like, how is this gonna work out? But it tracked very well. I cannot be happier with the state of this strap. How it all worked out. Prepare to be sick of me when it comes to the strap, because we have some adventures to do. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna do the links and things, and I appreciate you watching. Please, if you have not, please subscribe. Please comment. Talk to me about the strap. Talk to me about the sun. Talk to me about the zoo. Oh, by the way, are you following me on Instagram? Life's_a_bag. I love to talk about bags on there too. And I, you know, kind of tend to give little nuggets of what's to come. Like today I posted a picture of the shipping box. And anyway, I'm so glad to have you here, and I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. Anyway, have a great Friday and a great weekend. Bye.